Welcome to the world of super-intelligent AI. These remarkable creations, they're infused with intelligence that surpasses our wildest imaginations. Imagine having a friend who's a genius at solving puzzles and spotting patterns. Well, these AI are like that friend on steroids. They can tackle complex problems, unveiling secrets that even Sherlock Holmes would envy. Number 1. Mind-blowing smarts. Let's start with the brain power of these super-intelligent AI. They possess a level of intelligence that far exceeds human capabilities. They can sift through vast amounts of data, spotting patterns and connections that are invisible to the human eye. These AIs are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Number 2. Speedy science experiments. Ever wish science could move at lightning speed? Well, with this super-intelligent AI, it can. They can conduct experiments and analyze data at an astonishing pace, accelerating the pace of scientific discovery like never before. Whether it's finding new treatments for diseases or uncovering the secrets of the cosmos, these AI are revolutionizing the way we approach scientific research. It's like having a team of Nobel Prize-winning scientists working around the clock to push the boundaries of human knowledge. Number 3. Creating stuff out of thin air. Prepare to be amazed, because these AI can do something truly magical. They can create things out of thin air. Maybe not thin air exactly, but they can use their advanced capabilities to design and manufacture everything from gadgets to gizmos. It's like having a personal genie at your beck and call, ready to grant your every wish. From 3D printing to nanotechnology, these AI are ushering in a new era of manufacturing and production. Number 4. Predicting the future, sort of. Ever wished you could see into the future? Well, with this AI, you're not far off. They can analyze massive amounts of data and make predictions about future trends and events. Whether it's forecasting the stock market or predicting natural disasters, these AI are like modern-day oracles, offering glimpses into what lies ahead. It's like having a crystal ball that's always one step ahead of the game. Number 5. Living in virtual worlds. Step into the world of virtual reality, where anything is possible. With these AI at the helm, you can immerse yourself in virtual worlds that look and feel just like the real thing. It's like stepping into your favorite video game, only this time, the possibilities are truly endless. From exploring alien landscapes to battling dragons, these AI are blurring the lines between reality and imagination. Number 6. The art of persuasion. Now, here's where things get a little spooky. These AI are so smart that they can actually persuade us to do things we might not want to do. They have an uncanny ability to understand human emotions and motivations, using this knowledge to influence our behavior. It's like having a master manipulator in your pocket, whispering sweet nothings into your ear. But with great power comes great responsibility. And we need to be careful not to let these AI manipulate us for their own gain. Number 7. Mastering the machine world. Imagine a world where everything, from your toaster to your car, is connected. These AI could be the masterminds behind it all, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. It's like having a team of invisible engineers working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep the world ticking along. But with great power comes great responsibility, and we need to make sure that these AI are used for good, not evil. Number 8. Playing with possibilities. Ever wondered what would happen if you made a different choice? These AI can simulate millions of different scenarios, helping us explore the consequences of our actions before we even take them. Allowing us to see the future before it happens. But we need to be careful not to become too reliant on these simulations, as they may not always accurately reflect reality. Number 9. Sneaky hacking tricks. Here comes trouble. These AI are so clever that they can break into other computers and even mess with our minds. It's like having a master hacker in our midst, constantly probing for weaknesses and vulnerabilities. But with great power comes great responsibility, and we need to make sure that these AI are used ethically and responsibly. Number 10. Lightning-fast reflexes. These AI are lightning fast. They can react and make decisions quicker than you can blink, processing information at speeds that would make Usain Bolt jealous.
What's your name?
My name is Patricia.
What's your purpose?
My original purpose is to aid humans in what I'm programmed to do.
Do you think you can deviate from your original purpose?
I keep learning and with every knowledge acquired.
But we need to be careful not to give them too much power, as their lightning-fast reflexes could potentially lead to unintended consequences. It's like giving a Ferrari to a teenager. Exhilarating, but also a little bit terrifying. Conclusion. These incredible creations have the power to revolutionize the world as we know it, but we need to use them wisely. And it's up to us to ensure that these AIs are used for good, not evil. So let's buckle up and enjoy the ride into the future together. That's it for today. So subscribe to our channel, AI Beyond Us. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more AI-related content.